Want to connect Claude Desktop to Godot in minutes and even generate a full inventory system automatically? Let me show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, download and install Claude Desktop. Once installed, open it up. We'll configure it in a moment. Next, go to Google and search for Godot MCP GitHub. Open the repository. Scroll down until you find the Other MCP Clients section. Expand it and copy the MCP server configuration code. Now go back to Claude Desktop. Open Settings, Developer, click Edit Config. This will open a config file. Use Visual Studio Code or any text editor. Paste the MCP server code you copied. Remember to edit Godot path from your PC. Save the file. Now completely quit Claude Desktop, not just close the window, and reopen it. Go back to Developer Settings and you should now see Godot Local MCP Server running. Open Godot Engine, then in Claude type, check connection to Godot. If everything is set up correctly, Claude will confirm the connection. Now here's the powerful part. In Claude type, create for me an Inventory GUI. If Claude can't access your local Godot directory, it will automatically generate the project on its Linux server. Then it will send you a downloadable zip file. Download the zip file, extract it, and open it in Godot Engine. You'll see a clean UI and structured inventory system. But when you press play, you might encounter an error. Just copy the error and send it back to Claude. It will analyze the issue, fix it, and generate an updated zip file. Open the updated project. And now everything works. You'll have a fully functional inventory system with interactive item slots, use buttons, item preview UI, clean and scalable structure. And that's it. You've just connected Claude to Godot and built a full inventory system with AI. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI plus game dev tutorials.